guys, just heading out to do a few errands, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I got them something very special in the mail today, and yeah, let's get into it. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing on this very special limited edition item. I can't believe I found it. I got it off of Marketplace. The seller was not local, so I had to have it shipped. She had good reviews, and she was a member of a lot of the Traveler's Notebook groups. So I took a chance, and thank God it arrived. So yeah, I haven't opened it yet, so let's get to it. One sec. So the seller was not local, but she was in the same country as me. So thank God for that. But yeah, so it wasn't too much of a hassle. Okay, so let's unbox this item. I need some scissors. I'm so excited. Judging by the shape, I think you guys can already tell what it is, or maybe not. This is a limited edition item piece. Yes! I'm trying not to scratch the tin. So, oh my God! So after getting my pocket size, I started seeing everybody's posts with the 10th anniversary, and I thought it was so cute. So of course, I had to go on Marketplace. I love Marketplace. I've sold so many things and bought so many things off of Marketplace. So yeah, I'm always constantly checking Marketplace for things. But yeah, I did get lucky with this, and thank God it is in, oh my God, it's in mint condition pretty much. So it comes with the charm, and then I saw people using these. You're gonna be able to make your own inserts because it's so tiny. So you literally have to, you have your covers here, and then you have, oh, so you can do a craft insert, and then they also give you, oh, they even have the like front page. That's so cute. And then they give you the option, oh my God, so many options. So you get blank, and then graph, and then do we get line? So you get, oh, and then you get cream blank, and then cream graph. So we got options. Okay, then that is the little charm, and then this is the book. I was thinking to use this maybe as a charm, and then I saw a lot of, there was like, see, look at, oh my God, it's so cute, it's so tiny. I saw one person, she used it like as a book for ink swatches, or when she's with friends, she'd make them write a little note, or one person was using it for like little doodles. There's so many options. Oh my God, that's so cute! It's so tiny! Oh my God, and then on the back it says 10th anniversary Traveler's Notebook. Oh my God, that's so cute. Let's see. Size comparison. Oh my God, that's so teeny tiny. So cute. This actually would go with my coffee journal if I could find her. Where is she? So this is like a very, like, it's camel basically. Oh my god, how cute would that be? This is, I think this is the only camel TN that I have. All the rest are like brown or black, red. Let's see how she looks with on. So that's on a regular size. Oh my god, adorable. I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna use her for yet, but I'm so happy I got her in my collection. So that's that. And then, oh, we get a couple more stickers in here. I will probably never use these. And what else is here? 10th anniversary guide. So assembly guide. Okay, so they give you an assembly guide how to make these teeny tiny inserts. I'll need to get like a little stapler. I saw somebody using a Midori, or I don't know if it was Midori, it was a Japanese stapler where you could like twist the head so it was easier to staple the spine. And then this is just, oh, so these are all the collectible items. Oh, so you have the Pan Am line. Oh, there's the Narita Airport. So many. So you have everything there. And then those are all the collectible pens. Cute. And then on the back, a little history about the company. And then those are all 3 of the 10th anniversary. Maybe it was FOMO, but I couldn't resist. She is so cute. And I am so happy to add her to my collection. I don't know how I'm going to use her yet, but I'm sure I will figure something out. Whether it's as a charm, or I don't think I want to use it as a keychain because it's just very, it's a soft, delicate leather. So I don't think I'd want to use it as a keychain, but maybe as a charm. And then with the inserts, I don't know what I'm going to do with the inserts. I still haven't figured out what I'm going to, how I'm going to use this teeny tiny guy too. So yeah, but nevertheless, I am so ecstatic to have her in my collection. Okay, I guess I'm going to try to make an insert. Instruction number 1, please use the full scale guide on the right to check the up and down direction of the notebook, then fold the refill at the center of the line, stack it in the order of the cover page and note paper book page. We recommend using 5 sheets of notebook paper. Please pick your favorite paper freely and stack them. So then you also have the option to cut it if you don't align them. If you want to make the notebook neater, please use a cutter to cut the ends. Blah 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 blah. After stapling, it creases the paper well along. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. She said 5 sheets, so I guess it's a cover page count. Okay, 1. I'll maybe do, should I do maybe? I'll do a lined one first. I'm gonna do a white insert. 2, 3. Oh, no, that's graph. Or should I do, I'm gonna do blank actually. If you do decide, well, I don't know, it's not really sold anymore, but if you do decide to make these, make sure you keep at least 1 or a couple of them so you can use them as a template to make more of these, since I'm pretty sure these are not sold anymore. Okay, and that's, so that's the cover. So I guess we'll just, okay. Why am I so nervous? It's just paper. Okay, good. Okay, there's your cover. And there's so cute. Oh no, this is a cream one, so I need to do cream blanks. Is there cream? Oh no, is there? Oh yeah, there is. One, two, three, four. Oh, I'm just gonna do 3. Okay, so we'll do 4 of those cream. So, oh my god, that's so cute. So they did say there's gonna be a little hang off like that, and then you can trim it. But I'm gonna wait. That is so cute. I'm gonna wait to get a stapler. I can't believe I don't own a stapler. This is like the only stationery channel you'll find with no stapler. But I'm just gonna put her in there for now. Maybe this string will be strong enough to hold her down. Oh my god, so cute! Should we add the little charm? Yeah, I think so. Let's add the little charm. Okay, let's add the little charm. So there's a little bit of oxidation. So this book is 10 years old. So it's been kept in pretty good shape for a 10-year-old leather book. But I think we can clean that up. That'll be an easy fix. Thank God I have nails. I used to do acrylic nails all the time. I love acrylic nails. I love the look. But I play piano professionally, so one time I was playing a very like fast, complicated piece, and one of my nails, I was like just moving along the piano, and one of my nails got stuck in between and it ripped off, and oh my god, it was like bleeding. It was oh my god. So I decided to make the decision to just let my real nails grow out, and now they're strong and I haven't looked back since. Oh my god, how am I gonna undo this? You guys, again, thank God I have nails right now, because I do not know. Oh my god, it's so tight. Ah! Okay, bear with me. Almost there. Oh my god, that took like a million years. Okay, so we got that untied. Okay. And then you get the little TN charm and then put it in. Oh, I kind of wish I got a brown pocket size now. Okay, let's put that in. Let's thread that back in. Oh my god. This is like hell. Oh my god. You guys. Help! I need help. Where there's a will, there is a way. There have been so many times in life where I've been in situations, scary situations. For example, skiing on a very, very steep run, and I tell myself, you can do this, you got this, you got this. And every single time I get through it. The mind is a powerful thing. Whether you think you can or you can't, you are always right. There you go. Oh, we did it. Okay. My Lord. Okay, that was a mission. Okay, you did it. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, thank God. Okay. So cute. I love it so much. Maybe it might look cute on the, maybe because I have too many colors here. But maybe if I do that. Ooh, okay. Get my little Jigglypuff here. My little jiggly. Ooh, or no, I could do this tiny one. I'm gonna leave it off for now. So cute. I am so happy with this. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I couldn't be more thankful and grateful for each and every one of you. I think for the 100th, once we get past the 100 subscriber, I think that's a pretty good milestone for me. And I think we should be doing our first giveaway. And I will keep you guys posted on the next video. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye.